Hello, this is Ian the Fixer. So to fix the bathroom, you would need a toilet. I don't know if I can say that word, AUGER with heavy duty cable. Should look like this. Like at 6 feet. You would need a commercial green GOBBLER drain clog dissolver. It sinks standing water, and you would need a plunge. This, like any plunge, something like this. There you go. Don't get a cheap plunge. I recommend getting like costing more than $15, like a high quality plunge. As you can see, I already fixed it, but I will show you a video how to fix it. So once you put that wire, it might go halfway, and you just gotta turn it, and you put it inside the toilet, and you just keep turning and turning. Whatever's stuck in there, it should get removed. Espérate, ya, suéltalo.
Yeah.
Okay, so to fix this bathroom, no le pucho nada. No grabes a mí. You use this right here. You plunge it like this. In there. Get in there. Use some drain clog dissolver. A little bit. And then you need some hot water. I have no hot water, but you put it in there. And then just use this wire and plunge it. Plunge it, plunge it, plunge it, plunge it. And keep rolling it, and put it in there. And once you're done, you remove this piece of wire. You get this at Home Depot for $40. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.